Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and tutorials on how to use Filmora, the best video editing software for beginners and professionals. In today's video, I am going to show you the new features of Filmora version 12.5, the latest version of Filmora that was released recently. These features will help you make your videos more creative and professional, and they are very easy to use. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, let's talk about the VFX titles. These are titles with special effects that you can add to your opening and ending scenes to make them more eye-catching and stylish. You can find them in the Titles tab under the VFX text category. Currently, there are 25 titles to choose from, such as glitch, neon, fireworks, and more. You can drag and drop them to your timeline and customize them with your own text, font, color, and in and out animation. Here are some examples of how they look on the screen. Right now, you can't change some of their colors from within Filmora, but if you are interested in to learn how to change these colors, then let me know in the comments and I will surely share the tutorial for it. Next, let's look at the new audio-driven effects. These are effects that make your content move to the rhythm of the music. You can find them in the Effects tab under the Audio Effect category. There are different types of effects such as zoom, glitch, beat detection, and more. You can drag and drop them to your timeline and adjust their settings according to your preference. Here are some examples of how they look on the screen. Another new feature is the search history function. This function allows you to see your previous search terms in the media library, transitions, effects, elements, title, and split screen tabs. You can access it by clicking on magnifying glass icon next to the search bar. You can also clear your search history by clicking on the cross icon. This function can help you save time and find what you need regularly. Another new feature is the ability to copy and paste keyframes. Keyframes are points that mark the start and end of animation or effect. You can use them to create smooth transition and movements. In your video, to copy and paste keyframes, you need to select them in the timeline by holding down the control key and clicking on them. Then you can right click on them and choose copy or paste from the menu. This feature can help you save time and apply consistent animations and effects across your video. Currently, there are no shortcut keys for this, but expect them to be available in next releases. Finally, Filmora 12.5 supports copying project media to global media. Project media are the media files that you import into a specific project. Global media are the files that you import into Filmora for general use. To copy project media to global media, you need to right click on them in the media library and choose copy to global media from the menu. This feature can help you organize your media files better and reuse them in different projects. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new features of Filmora 12.5 and how to use them in your video editing projects. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tutorials on Filmora. Thank you for watching.